High-paying jobs aren't always found where you'd expect. When people think about lucrative careers, fields like medicine, technology, or finance usually come to mind. But what if I told you there are lesser-known professions out there that pay surprisingly well, yet many people overlook them? These roles often offer excellent wages, decent work-life balance, or unique perks that might just change your perspective on career choices. And here's the kicker. Some of these gigs don't require advanced degrees or years of experience. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we possibly undervaluing these less traditional jobs? Let's dive into 17 uncommon careers that pay impressively, often with easier entry requirements or unexpected advantages. 1. Biomedical equipment technician. Ever thought about being the person who fixes critical medical machines in hospitals? This role usually needs just a 2-year degree. Starting wages hover around $30 an hour, but experienced technicians working on specialized radiology tools can exceed $40 an hour. It's somewhat like an IT job, but with a focus on medical equipment maintenance instead of pure computing. 2. Foundation repair salesperson. Not everyone envisions sales as a high-paying job, but here's one example that defies expectations. Using diagnostic tools, the salesperson assesses how a house's foundation is settling and then presents the findings. They don't do the physical repairs themselves. That's left to others. Remarkably, someone with only a GED and no prior experience shared they made over $110,000 in their first year and now earn more than $200,000 annually. That's truly unexpected earnings in sales without lengthy education. 3. School district chef. Imagine working a standard 40-hour week, no nights, weekends, or holiday shifts, and earning $55 an hour with full benefits and a pension. After decades of grueling restaurant hours and low pay, transitioning to a school district chef job can feel like a dream come true. Even without union membership, receiving pay raises aligned with teachers adds financial stability. 4. Piano tuner. This might surprise you, but professional piano tuners report excellent work-life balance. They command strong hourly rates and can simply accept more jobs if they want extra income. Many mention the scarcity of work hours as a boon. They're often overwhelmed with demand, providing not just ample income, but flexible schedules. 5. Film TV grips. Key members of the production crew. Grips handle camera rigging and manipulate lighting using fabrics and gels to shape the scene's visual mood. Starting rates in the U.S. typically range from $600 to $750 for a 10-hour day. No formal degrees are required to enter this field. What's more, California's labor laws apply to many productions even outside the state, so overtime starts after 8 hours daily, not just after 40 hours a week. Meaning better pay for short, intense jobs. 6. Tugboat chief mate. Dropping out of high school sounds risky, but one individual became a chief mate on a tugboat making $730 per day, complete with paid travel and full benefits. Plus, they enjoy an impressive 6 months of vacation annually. Intriguingly, advancing to captain boosts daily pay to $1,000. 7. Home building real estate agent. Unlike typical realtors hustling for clients, agents working directly for home building companies influence whole neighborhoods. They decide on lot placements, house designs, and options, giving them creative input. Watching families settle and grow in these homes is rewarding, though the job can demand multitasking agility. 8. Hotel banquet server. Making $40 to $100 an hour might seem high for serving, but in upscale hotels, banquet servers can earn this range, especially when juggling multiple venues during slow seasons. The work is generally straightforward, with a major benefit. You get fed during shifts, cutting down on food expenses. Number 9. Nuclear plant radiation protection. Many nuclear-related jobs pay well, even with just a 2-year degree. Radiation protection specialists at plants earn up to $56 an hour, with some lower-tier nuclear roles reaching salaries between $150,000 and $200,000, provided workers pass background checks and commit to safety protocols, such as abstaining from drug use. 10. Flower grower for florists. If horticulture is your passion, growing specialty flowers like zinnias or sunflowers for florists can be surprisingly profitable. Sunflowers require minimal maintenance once planted with drip irrigation systems and effectively suppress weeds, making this a low-effort, rewarding venture. 11. Barge welder. An individual starting as a welder for barges in Vancouver Harbor earns $65 an hour after a year of apprenticeship. The job includes downtime due to safety checks and permits, during which workers are still paid, plus short workdays with frequent breaks, making it a cushy, well-paid role. 12. Pool cleaner. An unconventional but lucrative job. Pool cleaning can bring in approximately $125,000 annually. Optimizing routes in gated communities allows doing multiple pools quickly, while a shorter workday helps minimize health risks like skin cancer from sun exposure. 13. Hospital monitor technician. A huge salary, making $50,000 to $75,000 a year for watching monitors in a hospital sounds pretty good, especially since medical training beyond basic CPR isn't required. The job is mostly about vigilance and alerting medical staff if an issue arises, but no hands-on medical work. 14. Ditch digger. Hard physical labor can pay off, earning $46 an hour with the option for overtime and on-call bonuses. Dependable workers can pull in $150,000 to $200,000 per year. Overtime pay kicks in promptly, encouraging longer workdays but also providing ample compensation. 15. Specialized sales and IT. For those with a background in network and cybersecurity engineering, post-sales or support roles might earn $80,000 to $100,000, but come with intense stress and the challenge of being blamed when technology falters. 16. Onboard IT system specialist on oil exploration ships. Fresh graduates with an IT degree can find themselves earning about $190,000 annually working 6 months on board, followed by 6 months off, rotating between ports worldwide. The daily work involves monitoring systems and troubleshooting, often just turn it off and on again, following strict procedures, allowing lots of downtime during shifts. 17. Dog boarding and walking business. If you're a dog lover, running an overnight dog boarding service and walking large packs of dogs on leashes can generate surprisingly high income. Growing a substantial client base is key to turning this passion into a profitable venture. Did any of these unexpected paths catch your attention? Are there other obscure, high-paying jobs you know about? Why not share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below? Are some of these roles undervalued, or are we missing bigger trends in employment? Let's get the conversation going.